welcome back to my channel Sangwan Learning Point. Today we will learn about natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational numbers, irrational numbers and real numbers. So let's get started. Natural number are counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. And representation of natural number is n. We represent natural number as n. Now we start whole number. Whole numbers are 0 plus natural numbers. Representation of whole numbers is W. Integers, positive numbers and negative numbers. Plus 0. Now in the number line we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. On this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. These are integers and the representation of integer is in two ways, I or Z. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 6 and so on. Representation of rational number is Q, and irrational numbers are like pi, root 2, root 3 and root 5 and other examples are also. Representation of irrational number is T. Now if we talk about real numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational and irrational. So we can say that real numbers are group of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Representation of real number is R. So friends, today we discuss about number system of class 9th. Hope you like this video. If you like this, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching this video.